Hey amigas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nioby for those of you who are new, and for all of my girlies returning, hi friend, I miss you guys so much and I'm so excited to talk about my updated curly hair routine. Now, I often get a lot of compliments on my curls. I also get a lot of questions because having curly hair can be a lot, child. It can be expensive and sometimes we just ain't got time to try out every product. So no worries, that's why you got me here. And today I'm going to share with you all a super hydrating curly hair routine from start to finish. And when I say start, I mean from the shampoo all the way down to the oils. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the familia down below. And if you like this video along the way, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will leave a link down below to my TikTok curly hair playlist. Lately, I have been absolutely impressed and in love with the CurlDaze hair care products. This is what the brand looks like. I believe they sell it at Target. Don't quote me though. So I love to start off with their shampoo. They have a matching conditioner. This is called the Silky Hydration Creamy Shampoo. The texture is so creamy. It is thick, but I like that. We like that because as curly hair girls, we want something that's hydrating, that's gonna penetrate our hair follicles and give our hair the hydration boost it needs. Hydration is great for curly hair. That's how we can avoid having just frizz and breakage and just flat curls. Hydration is also great if you have a lot of heat damage because you need to retrain your curls. So the Silky Hydration Creamy Shampoo has kukui oil and agave. It gently cleanses and removes the product buildup without stripping your hair, and no lie, it does just that. After you're done rinsing this shampoo off, you're literally gonna feel like, oh my god, like, why is my hair feeling like luscious like this? Because for me personally, I don't run into many shampoos that give me the same feeling that the CurlDaze one does, because most of them leave my hair feeling like it needs moisture, just feeling just very delicate. I don't like that. I don't like that feeling. Like, my curls should feel strong and thick and healthy and hydrated. And so if you're looking for a hydrating routine combo, I would definitely pair it with their conditioner as well. And this is the Silky Hydration Detangling Conditioner with kukui oil and agave. It is also a very creamy texture. It's a slippery rinse out conditioner. It detangles and moisturizes curls. This combo right here is no joke. Seriously guys, like, my curls have been flourishing, okay? Like, I just got them colored not too long ago. I want to say like 2.5, 3 weeks ago. So they've needed all the hydration they can get. So what I like to do is I like to let it sit in my hair for a minute or so before rinsing it out. As soon as I step out of the shower, I find that the best thing to do is to apply a hydrating mask called the Silky Hydration Intense Deep Conditioning Mask. This has kukui oil, and this is a very intense, nourishing treatment to help repair and fortify curls. When I tell you this stuff right here is thick, it is thick, honey, so do not play with her. Thick in a good way. I wouldn't leave her in my hair because she's so damn thick. I will rinse her out afterwards. But this stuff right here does the damn job. My curls feel so good after leaving her in for 30 minutes. I only ever leave it in for 30 minutes. Yes, you can leave it in for 15, it says on here. But for me, I like to make sure that my curls are getting the maximum results that the product offers. So I usually leave it in for 30 minutes. If you want, you can also apply like a plastic bag on top so it can really lock in that moisture. Out the mask using cold water, and that's just so that my hair follicles can close up rather than the product getting steamed out with hot water. Next, there are two products that I highly recommend. You could go either or. So the first one is called the Silky Hydration Detangling Leave-In Conditioner with kukui oil and agave. This is a great moisturizing leave-in, it's a detangler, and it's for all curl types. All these products are sulfate-free, paraben-free, and silicone-free, which I absolutely love. So like I said before, this is a leave-in, and this is great for detangling, child, because if you have curly hair, then you already know the struggles when it comes to detangling. Another product I highly recommend if you are not going in with the Silky Hydration Detangling Leave-In Conditioner is the Ultra Moisture Cream with Kukui oil, also by CurlDaze. These are all CurlDaze products, okay? And this is not sponsored. This is just like, I genuinely really love these products. This instantly moisturizes, it softens your curls, it smooths your curls. It's great for wash and goes. It's a curl refresher, and it's great for protective styles. This is very thick, highly recommended if you are looking for that super moisturized curly hair look. Don't mind my dog, she is popping off right now. She's a Chihuahua, so I think we had this discussion before, right guys? She's a Chihuahua. Chiquita, who are you yelling at? She's checking the neighbors, girl. So anyways, highly recommend her. This is something you can leave in your hair. This literally feels like butter. Once I decide on my leave-in product and I apply that all throughout my hair, I like to apply a heat protectant to my hair before I blow dry. And so a heat protectant I really love is by Taraji P. Henson's brand, and this is called Hot Commodity. This is a quote-unquote hard-working heat protectant. It shields, softens, and prevents heat damage. This right here is a heat protectant I really love. It's one of my favorite ones on the market. I do also like the Amika heat protectant, which I have around here somewhere. Both really great brands. What I love most about this one here is the smell. It smells so good. Girl, first of all, this needs to be like a hair perfume because it smells really good. Like, it just smells like like that. Yeah, you get it. So as soon as I spray that all throughout my hair, I will go in with a blow dryer and I will blow my hair out. That usually takes about 10 minutes, and I do like to do this technique right here. I forget what it's called. I call it the scrunching technique. I like to scrunch my curls up just to encourage them to start forming themselves, you know. So that takes about, I want to say that takes about 10 to even 15 minutes. And so that's 15 minutes of heat, which is why it's super important to go in with a heat protectant. So as soon as I finish up with that, I do like to go in with the GroDaze Daily Shine and Repair Spray. Love it. I like to spray it in my curls. I'm careful with how much I spray because this is an oil and I don't want to overdo it on the oil because it will weigh down my curls in the long run. Now this does also help boost the shine of your curls, which I think is beautiful. Like, that's just like, shine just gives like healthy, you know, it just gives that healthy look. It also says here that it controls frizz, it seals the hair strands, and is for all hair types and beards. So for my fellas, there you go. Last but not least, I like to go in with the CurlDaze GroDaze Hair and Scalp Booster. This is what it looks like here. Now, I don't apply this too often, okay? I might apply this once a week, just because this is an oil, and again, oils can be heavy, and I don't want to wash my hair too many times in the week just out of like too much oil, too much buildup. So I'm very careful with how much product I put in my hair. Now there are a lot of benefits to this oil right here, and I'm gonna read them to you because this is pretty bomb. It is a daily hair and scalp moisturizer. So if you deal with like itchy scalp, dry scalp, this is great. It encourages length retention. It smooths split ends. And yes, it is also for hair types and beards. So there's a lot of benefits to using this product. Guys, amazing. I don't have any complaints at all. So like I said before, I like to apply it throughout my scalp. I just use their rat tail comb, 2-in-1 rat tail comb brush. This is a rat tail comb, the comb, and then this is the baby hair brush, which by the way, guys, I also love to use their baby hair edge control because on days that I want to swoop the baby hairs it does a job and it's super hydrating. I hope you girlies enjoyed watching this routine. If you guys have any questions and any help regarding like curly hair care or any of the other videos you guys see from me, let me know. Make sure you girlies subscribe to the family down below and like this video. I'll talk to you girlies very soon. Bye.